Good morning, my dear students and teachers. Today's assembly topic is care. Now, I am telling you what is the meaning of care. Looking after somebody, something he has, what he needs for his health and care. Now, I am telling you how to do care in COVID-19. If you are caring for someone with COVID-19 at home in or a non-healthcare setting, follow this advice to protect yourself and others. Learn what to do when someone has symptoms of COVID-19 or when someone has been diagnosed with the virus. This information also should be followed when caring for people who have tested positive but are not showing symptoms, or older adults and people of any age with the serious underlying medical conditions are the higher risk of developing more severe illness from the COVID-19. People at higher risk of severe illness should call their doctor as soon as well. Now I am telling you what is the steps followed to care in COVID-19. Help the person who is sick follow their doctor's instructions for care and medicine. For most symptoms last a few days and people usually feel better after a week. See if over-the-counter medicines for fever help the person feel better. Make sure that the person who is sick drinks a lot of fluids and rest. Help them with grocery shopping, filling prescriptions and getting other items they may need. Consider having the items delivered through delivery service if possible. Take care of their pets and limit contact between the virus. Thank you.